Making coffee. Selecting the coffee taste. The appliance is set by default to make coffee with a standard taste. You can also choose one of these tastes: extra mild taste, mild taste, standard taste, strong taste, extra strong taste. To change the taste, press the Aroma Selection button repeatedly until the required taste is displayed. Selecting the quantity of coffee in the cup. The appliance is set by default to make a standard quantity of coffee. To select the quantity of coffee, press the Select Coffee Quantity button until the message corresponding to the required quantity of coffee is displayed. Customizing the My Coffee quantity. The appliance is set by default to automatically deliver 30 milliliters of My Coffee. To modify this quantity, proceed as follows. Place a cup under the coffee spouts. Press the Select Coffee Quantity button until My Coffee is displayed. Keep the 1 cup of coffee button pressed until the message 1 My Coffee program quantity is displayed and coffee delivery begins. Release the button. As soon as the coffee in the cup reaches the required level, press the 1 cup of coffee button again. The quantity of coffee in the cup has now been programmed. Adjusting the coffee mill. The coffee mill is preset in the factory to make coffee correctly and should not require adjusting initially. However, if after making the first few coffees you find that the coffee is too thin and not creamy enough, or that delivery is too slow, a drop at a time, this can be corrected by adjusting the grinding adjustment dial. The grinding adjustment dial must only be turned when the coffee mill is in operation. If the coffee is delivered too slowly, or not at all, turn 1 click clockwise towards 7. For fuller-bodied, creamier coffee, on the other hand, turn 1 click anti-clockwise towards 1. Do not turn more than 1 click at a time, otherwise the coffee could be delivered a drop at a time. These adjustments will only be evident after at least 2 cups of coffee have been delivered. Making coffee using coffee beans. Do not use caramelized or candied coffee beans, as they could stick to the coffee mill and make it unusable. Fill the beans container with coffee beans. Place under the coffee spouts. 1 cup if you want 1 coffee, 2 cups if you want 2 coffees. Lower the spouts as near as possible to the cup. This makes a creamier coffee. Press the button corresponding to the number of coffees required. Preparation begins. The amount of coffee selected is displayed together with a progress bar, which gradually fills as preparation progresses. While the coffee maker is making coffee, delivery can be interrupted at any moment by pressing one of the 2 coffee buttons. At the end of delivery, to increase the quantity of coffee in the cup, just press within 3 seconds one of the coffee buttons. Once the coffee has been made, the appliance is ready to use again. Making coffee using pre-ground coffee. If you use pre-ground coffee, you can only make 1 cup of coffee at a time. Press the aroma selection button until pre-ground is displayed. Open the beans container lid. Then open the pre-ground coffee funnel lid by pushing on Push. And once released, open the lid. Then add 1 level measure of pre-ground coffee. Place a cup under the coffee spouts. Press the 1 cup coffee button. Preparation begins. The amount of coffee selected is displayed together with a progress bar, which gradually fills as preparation progresses.